I always felt like I could do anything. That's the main thing people are controlled by. Thoughts, their perception of themselves. They're slowed down by their perception of themselves. If you're taught you can't do anything, you won't do anything. I was taught I could do everything. And I'm Kanye West at age 36. So just watch the next 10 years.
Yeah.
People are gonna look at this interview and say, hey, I understand what he's talking about. People are gonna look at this interview and say, I don't like Kanye. Look, he looks mad. I don't like his teeth. They're gonna say, why doesn't he just focus on music? I liked him as music. They're gonna say, hey, I want the old Kanye, blah, blah, blah. But one thing they will do, they will play this interview in 5 years. They will play this interview in 10 years and say, he called that, he called that, he called that. He said that was gonna happen, that was gonna change.
You're a futurist.
Yeah. I'm a postmodernist at best as a career. I'm a futurist mentally.